What's going on, guys? Roller89 here. I wanted to show you my new mic setup for motovlogging and possibly in the car as well. That way you guys can hear me a little better. It'll take out a lot of the noise and distractions and stuff you hear from when I'm riding or when I'm in the car and I have the windows down. So what I got here was a case off of eBay. It's already been notched out, as you can see. I don't know how well you can see that right there. The mic plugs in down here, and I've tested the mic. It works great. Speaking of the mic, here's the mic. It's got a nice long cable. It's got the mic with like a little pop filter on it. It's got a little clip so that you can clip it to yourself when you're talking, or I can clip it inside my helmet and stuff. So it'll definitely make the videos a lot better, a lot easier to hear me. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you will enjoy the videos that are going to come out of me purchasing this. So till the next time, guys, Roller89, peace.